This demonstration provides information about how to create an inventory file for the personal care appliances category on Amazon.in. Hi, I'm a Seller Central expert and I'm here to help you with your queries. After completion of this module, you will be able to download the inventory template, create an inventory file to upload product details on Amazon.in. Akshay, a registered seller with Amazon.in, wants to create an inventory file for a product belonging to the personal care appliances category. The inventory file that you upload on Seller Central should be detailed to list your products for selling on Amazon.in. To create your inventory file on the Amazon Seller Central homepage, expand the inventory menu. Then click the Add Products via Upload option. To download an inventory template on the Add Products via Upload page, click the Download Template button. On the Inventory File Templates page, scroll down and then click the Personal Care Appliances link. Note that you need to enable the macros before updating the inventory file. The instructions sheet is displayed by default when you open the file. You need to refer to the guidelines available on this sheet to enter your product details. The images sheet provides information about the image requirements you need to keep in mind while uploading product images on the Amazon.in website. To know about the mandatory fields needed by Amazon.in, on the home menu of the Data Definitions sheet, expand the Sort and Filter drop-down list. Then click the Filter option. To identify mandatory fields in the required column, click the drop-down arrow. Then select the required option. You can also provide information related to optional and preferred fields. This information helps a customer make informed decisions while purchasing a product on the Amazon.in website. The example sheet provides examples that you could refer to while entering information in the template sheet. The sheet displays examples of a single product, parent products, and child products, and how to delete a product. Before filling the inventory file, you should be aware of the style guidelines you must adhere to while providing information about the product you plan to sell. To create an inventory file for the personal care appliances category, you need to refer to the style guide for that category. To download the style guide, in the Style Guide/Sample File column, click the Style Guide link for the personal care appliances category. Style guides provide useful and mandatory information you need to provide in the inventory file, such as product types, title style, units, and image requirements. Now that you are aware of the various sheets of the inventory file and the personal care appliances style guide, let's create an inventory file for an epilator. All the fields that are in bold in the template sheet are mandatory. The SKU is the alphanumerical code that is unique for all products you are selling. The product ID is an alphanumeric number and the product ID type is GCID, EAN, UPC, ASIN or ISBN. This number is found near the barcode of a product. For this example, the product ID is a UPC number and the product ID type is UPC. Note that internally generated barcodes are not the same as EAN or UPC. In case of GCID or UPC exemption, you can leave the product ID and product ID type fields blank. You need to request EAN or UPC exemptions or GCID or brand registry from Amazon Seller Central for product categories that do not have standard product IDs. The title should include details of brand name, series name, model number, subcategory, and color if available. For this example, refer to the Personal Care Appliances Style Guide to get information related to product title. You also need to specify the brand, manufacturer, and manufacturer part number. Note that brand names are case sensitive and should be in the same format as in the GCID or UPC exemption form. The model number of the product is of 50 characters maximum. If you have enabled the macro, the product type field has data populated automatically, enabling you to choose a category from the drop-down list. If you have not enabled the macro, refer to the Valid Values sheet to identify your category. The description column provides details about the product you plan to sell, which is displayed on Amazon.in. The Update Delete field enables you to modify information in your inventory file. Use the Partial Update option whenever you are changing any field in the existing product's information, including reducing the inventory to 0 or updating price, and use the Delete option if you want to delete the product from your inventory. If left blank, it is automatically considered as update. The standard price is the price a customer has to pay to purchase your product. The quantity is the stock that you currently have. To specify the item condition, select the New option. The item package quantity is the number of individually packed units in a package. You need to specify the product dimensions such as shipping weight, website shipping weight unit of measure, item length unit of measure, item width unit of measure, item height unit of measure, item weight, and item weight unit of measure. You need to specify recommended browse nodes to help customers search your products. This provides information about nodes of your product. To locate browse nodes on the Add Products via Upload page, click the Download Template button. To download a Browse Tree Guide on the Inventory File Templates page, in the Browse Tree Guide column, click the Personal Care Appliances BTG link. Alternatively, you can download the Browse Tree Guide using the Browse Tree Guide link at the bottom of the Inventory File Templates page. The instructions sheet is displayed by default when you open the file. This sheet displays instructions on how to use the file. The Health and Personal Care sheet provides information about the node ID and the node path. In this example, to locate the recommended browse number of the Philips Epilator, search for Epilators. After locating the category of your product, copy the node ID from the Browse Tree Guide and paste it in the Recommended Browse Nodes column of your inventory file. Amazon.in uses Recommended Browse Node to specify the particular browse path for your product. You can view the node path at the top left corner of the product detail page. You need to specify search terms to provide tags for your product. The bullet points help you provide a summary of the product, such as key features, USPs of the product, and care instructions, if any, which are displayed on the product detail page. To provide bullet points for this example, refer to the Personal Care Appliances Style Guide. The main image URL enables you to provide the path of the product image. If the product image is available on your website or PhotoBucket or Dropbox account, copy the link of the image URL and paste it in your inventory file. Ensure that the link that you paste should end with .jpg. Note that Amazon.in also accepts .png format images along with .jpg. To ensure that the image is displayed on your product detail page, change the access of your PhotoBucket or Dropbox account from private to public. If you are using Dropbox, change the image link from www.dropbox.com to dl.dropboxusercontent.com. To create an image link, use photobucket.com and postimage.org. The color is the original color name of your product. The color map is the color of your product. You need to specify the voltage of the product and the voltage unit of measure. Apart from these attributes and the ones mentioned in the style guide, if there is more information about a product, mention it in the available fields of the inventory file to help customers make informed decisions. After you have entered your product details into the inventory file, save the file as a text tab delimited file. Your inventory file is now ready to be uploaded to Seller Central. To upload your inventory file on the Add Products via Upload page, select the Inventory Files option as type of file to upload. Then, locate your inventory file to upload. Note: if you are using Mozilla Firefox browser, you need to click the Browse button. Click the Upload Now button. The Inventory File Upload Status section enables you to identify if your inventory file is uploaded successfully or if there are any errors. To identify errors you may encounter during the upload process, you can refer to the processing report by clicking the View Processing Report link. Edit the inventory file for errors and upload it again. The product information is displayed on the Amazon.in website 10 to 15 minutes after you successfully upload the inventory file on Seller Central. Personal Care Appliances module is now complete. Happy selling!